Alright guys, so I'm in the snake game in Scratch right now, and so far this is the basic script for rendering and moving. Doesn't grow at all, it just moves for right now. And this modifies the length. It's pretty simple, but I want to see if I can get it so I can grow some way. So I'm gonna replace that whatchamacallit with like an F key press or something. Press F to pay respect. I'm gonna go do war crimes. I'll cut to when something works. Alright. It took me like 40 seconds, but I got something. So first we reset snack long. Then this makes it so that whenever I press the F key, it's gonna change the size by 1, which is gonna make it grow a bit longer. Right, pray for me here. I mean, the F key works, but it's a bit buggy. Whoa, I think I might be getting a bit too long. So I'm gonna reset that. There's some bugs I'll have to figure out. See ya. So, decoding making apples, I'm going to actually make a hitbox that's slightly bigger than the snake itself. Because, thing is, it's actually a bit of a bigger radius than you might think. So, anyways, I'm gonna see if I can code that in. I'll see you. Alright, so I've coded in a very simple hitbox that's slightly bigger than a snake. What it's gonna do is just gonna go to back layer right now and go to the snake's positions. Because this green dot isn't the snake itself, it's actually what renders it. You can say it's the snake, but really it's only what updates snake data and renders the snake. What the viewers see as the snake is actually what this little red pellet, why would I say red? What this little green pellet renders. So, let's see if that doesn't have an aneurysm. Oh, jeepers. Okay, so I don't think that it will want to, like, draw over that. So I think what I need to do is I need to, like, you know, make that not visible. Alright, so I've made some slight adjustments to how the hitbox looks. You know, it looks crappy, but you'll have to hold out here. Okay, you can see that it is actually rendering. Okay. So now I just needed to make is that the hitbox has something to touch. That way it knows as touching an apple it needs to get a little bit, you know, longer. I'll work on that later. Alright, I added in a little chunk of code. So, this is on the hitbox's part. If this is touching this is touching Gapple and change snack length by 1, which is amplified by 10. And if we go into the apple's code, it's just forever if this is touching the snake hitbox and go wherever. Actually need to hold up. I need to set a when flag. Hold up. Okay, now that's complete. My game of snake is complete. Have fun with that. Do whatever you're gonna do with that. Alright. I think it's ready to play. God damn it. Hold up. Okay, I think why it's doing that is because... Oh, I forgot that's how Scratch works. Give me a moment. So, normally I work with Castle Make and Play on Android. So I'm kind of used to where if you make something visible via frame, the hitbox is still there. The thing is with Scratch, it relies on the hitbox. It makes a hitbox automatically by using the set frame. And how I make my items invisible is I switch them out of the development frame into another frame for the main gameplay where it's just nothing. Nada. The thing about that is that only works on Castle, because that has a separate thing for hitboxes. Scratch relies on the artwork for the hitbox, meaning it has to be set to the artwork. And I'm not sure if the ghost effect is going to get rid of that artwork to where Scratch won't recognize it. So my two options are set it to like 99% ghost or set it to 100 ghost. I'm gonna go for 100 first, then for last resort I'll go to 99. Pray for me. Okay, update. I added in the ghost effect. It does work. Okay, watch this. It's a bit buggy and a bit slow, but yeah, it works. Which means I have a working game of Snake. Where the hell did my apple go? What? Where'd my apple go? Oh, what? Where did my apple go? You seriously behind the phone? Are we being serious right now? Okay, I guess we are. I did make a few changes. For one, I added Snake's speed and easiness. The higher easiness is, the easier it is, and the lower it is, the harder it is. And that's how that works. Right now I have ghost effects out of that, but it goes behind go to back layer. And I have it out because I want you to see how easiness affects the hitbox itself. So I'm gonna launch, and I'm gonna turn up easiness. It increases the size of the hitbox. And that's the size of the hitbox on easiness 1, which is your hardest mode. And that's your easiest mode. Why are you back there? Just why? Whatever. It's pretty interesting though, isn't it? And 3 is your default difficulty. Fair enough hitbox, I guess. Anyways, where did the damn apple go? Are we being deados right now? Of course, however, our Snake game would never be complete without a background. So I'm gonna show you a little known trick in Scratch, whatchamacallit. So, in Backdrop, which is over here, you're gonna want to convert to bitmap. This will make your job a lot easier. And go to the fill tool and select the background color you want. You can also do gradients, but those suck, we all know that. I'm just gonna do solid fill, brightness 0, because I want a black background. And you just click, it's all black. It's a little known trick in Scratch. A lot of people actually know it, but nonetheless, pretty useful. And that right there is your Scratch game. Have fun suffering with that. I'm actually gonna post that. Might eventually link my account to my whatchamacallit, but for right now, that's not gonna happen. Anyways, thanks for watching, I guess. If I do end up adding anything more, which I probably won't, and it might add something, but other than that, I think I'm done. Alright, I made a few more modifications. Snake Y and X won't be visible for the final game. Anyways, so I made a cool fade effect. And for the apple, I changed a bit of its coding because it kept going behind the sliders, and I was getting real angry. So I manually chose what coordinates it's allowed to go to. He was really making me angry. Anyways, and then I think that's it. Yeah. Anyways, I think that'll be the end of this. So see you guys.